Automatic call generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Now buy call generator, green color candle open. 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call generator, green color candle open. That straight white line is our entry point line. White line from green candle. That is our entry point line. 48,070. Buy at 48,070. Above line, first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, automatically it will analyze the market movement. Whenever a breakout happens, if upper side breakout happen, buy call generator. Downside breakout happen, sell call will generate. The calls will be generated like a signal, like a green signal, like a red signal. Now buy call, buy signal, green color candle open, so it's a buy signal. Okay, so the call came at 48,070. The first target is 48,190. It's a 120 point first target range. 9:55, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today, call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.